सूर्यकोटि
प्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवं
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Now we'll do affirmations, okay? Yes? Yes? Come on. Start, touch your feet, all of you. Touch your feet, all of you. Touch your feet. See, I can't show you my feet. Touch your feet. Now say, my feet are strong. All of you say, my feet are strong. Yes. Now, my legs are strong. Come
My
on,
legs are strong.
Now say, my knees are strong.
My knees are strong.
Knees are strong.
Touch your thighs. Say, my thighs are strong.
My thighs are strong.
Very good. Now touch your stomach. Say, I am courageous.
I am courageous.
Very good. Now touch your heart and say, I am kind-hearted.
I am
Kind-hearted.
I am compassionate.
I am
Compassionate. Very good. Now touch your hands. I am helpful.
I am
Helpful. I am creative. Do you like this? I am creative.
I am creative.
Very good. Now I speak softly.
I speak softly.
I speak wisely.
I speak wisely.
My face is bright.
My face is bright.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I have happy thoughts.
I am happy.
And God gives me new ideas every day. Very good. Yay. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shall we start with the story?
Yes. You are taking poem first?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Come on, stand up, all of you. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, stand up.
I can't see you. A teacher is standing. You all also stand. Very good.
Stand up. You setting करो.
Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys remaining? 4. Come on. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys remaining? 3. Come on. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys remaining? How many? 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys remaining? 1. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay. Now, we'll say one more rhyme, okay? Yes? Are you ready? Stand up, all of you. Okay. Making melodies in my heart. Making melodies in my heart. Making melodies in my heart. Thumbs in. See, thumbs in. Elbows up. Making melodies in my heart. Making melodies in my heart. Unto the King of Kings. Thumbs in. Elbows out. Feet apart. Feet apart. Feet apart. See, feet apart. Yes. Making melodies in my heart. Making melodies in my heart. Unto the King of Kings. Thumbs in. Come on, thumbs in. Elbows up. Feet apart. Knees bend. Bend your knees, all of you. Yes. Now say, making melodies in my heart. Very good. Making melodies in my heart. Unto the King of Kings. Again, thumbs in. Elbows up. Feet apart. Knees bend. Head bent. Making melodies in my heart. Making melodies in my heart. Unto the King of Kings. Now again, come on. Thumbs in. Elbows up. Feet apart. Knees bend. Come on.
Come on, Adya, do it.
Tongue out.
Tongue out.
Turn around.
Turn around. Bhargav, come on, do it.
Can you do? Very good. Super.
Ah, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Was it nice? Very nice. Now we'll go for the story. Yes. So, you know, our story name is A Boy Cried Wolf. You know wolf? It looks like a dog, but then it stays in the jungle and it's wild. It's wild, okay? It stays in a jungle and it has hairy tail, okay? And that wolf, he eats sheep, deer, rabbits, okay? Now, okay. So, in one village, there was one man and he has a small boy, a 12-year-old boy, okay? And he was very naughty. Papa, if
Ma'am.
Papa said,
Ma'am.
"Don't do this," he's
Rameshwari,
not-
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rameshwari, ma'am. You need to disable annotation. Children are
Yes,
showing
ma'am.
their drawing skills.
Ma'am, I did it, ma'am.
I think it's still
Still, children are doing it.
Ma'am, if I say allow, now it's showing allow participants to edit.
no. So maybe just clear that there is an annotation option that you can clear the drawing. Somebody has drawn. You can clear it. There is an option to clear it. Choose the annotate and then clear it.
Sir, I can see only a note.
Yeah, just click that. You will see the options. Last option there, clear. So you can see the clear the drawings.
Okay. Clear all the drawings. Yes.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. So this boy, he was very naughty and he used to not listen to Papa at all. Okay. And his father, he was little sick. He was not feeling well. So he said, please, we will keep his name. What do you want his name to be? Balu. Shall we keep his name Balu? Okay. Okay. Show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So this Balu, he was very naughty and he used to not listen. But then he said, okay, Papa. His Papa said that, Balu, today can you go in the forest and can you make the sheep graze and get them back at home? And then Balu said, okay, no problem, I will go. And then he went to the forest, okay? And here you can see Balu as a shepherd. His father was a shepherd and he took his sheep to the forest to graze them. Grazes to eat food. And what food do they eat? Do they eat chapati? They eat grass. So they all started grazing. And Balu was sitting. La 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 la. And he got a trick to play. What did he do, you know? He thought that, okay, let me do some musty, some naughty things. What did he do? He cried, wolf came, wolf came, wolf came, please help, please help. And you know what happened after that? Oh my God. See, he is thinking. And then he's shouting. And below the hill, there were few farmers cutting and harvesting and doing farming work. And they came running. Oh, I think Balu has some problem. Let's go and help him. And they ran and reached to Balu. And Balu started laughing. Oh, I fooled you all. And the farmers were very upset. They were very angry at Balu. That Balu fooled us. They said, Balu, this is not the right thing to do. We were working and you disturbed us. And you should never fool around. And Balu said, okay, I'm very sorry. I will not do it again. And then all the farmers went back. And look here again, what happened? Can you see the screen? And these farmers are very annoyed at Balu.
Yes,
look
ma'am.
at this Balu. He called us and he tricked us. And he made a fool around. And now, what you can see here? Again, Balu. Again, the next day, that day, Balu went home. And then again the next day, his papa said, Balu, can you go today also to the forest to graze, for the sheep to graze, please? Balu said, okay, because Balu knew that he is having fun. You know what fun he is doing? That's a wrong fun that he is doing. He is troubling someone. Yes? And then, you know what happened? This Balu, what did he do again? Today, again, he started shouting, help! Please help me! Wolf has come here! Farmers! Uncle, auntie, please come! Please help me! Please! And you know what happened? Again, these farmers, they ran to Balu. Oh, this time Balu might be really in trouble, they thought. And they ran to Balu. And they asked, Balu, what happened? How shall we help you? And Balu again started laughing. I fooled you all. And this time, everyone was really very upset at Balu. Why? Because he again tricked them. And then said, "Now, Balu, this is not the right thing to do. Yesterday also you did it, and you promised that you will not do it again." And then he said, "No, no, I'm very sorry. I will not do it again. I will not do it again." But what happened, you know? See, again, look at their faces. They are very upset. "Oh, Balu, you can't do this to us. We were doing something. We were doing our work, and you called us, and we thought you needed our help. But you didn't help. But there was no need of help. You tricked us." And then here came again. He is very okay. And Balu is, what is Balu doing? Balu is laughing. Balu is having fun. And the next day, Balu, next day again, the third day, that day Balu went home and he slept. And the next day in the morning, his father said, "Balu, today also can you please go to the forest and graze our sheep?" He said, "Okay." And then he went to the jungle and he stood on the hill. And then his sheep started grazing, eating the grass around. And then, you know what happened? Really, there was a wild wolf. Oh my God. There was a wolf there. Look at her. My God, the wolf had come there. And he was really scared. He didn't know what to do. Look at Balu's face. It's scary. Balu again started shouting, "Oh, please help. Wolf has come. Please help me. Please help me." And you know what? Down, the farmers heard what Balu is saying. But did the farmers believe him? No. Farmers did not believe him. Down, they were thinking that, no, Balu is just tricking us. He is just trying to fool us. No wolf would have come. He is just fooling us. But, you know, up on the hill, what happened? This wolf ate few of his sheep. He killed them. Oh my God. And Balu is still asking for help. Please help. Please help. But no one came for his help. Why? See, he's killing the wolf is killing the sheep. And no one could come for help. Why? Because Balu fooled the farmers. And the farmers thought that this time also he's fooling. But then Balu thought that, oh my God, because I fooled the farmers, so when I need actual help, they didn't come for me to help. So this was the lesson that Balu had, that I will never ever tell the lie, and I will always speak the truth, and I will never trouble anyone, and I will never trick anyone. That is, I will never fool anyone. Okay? Yes? Yes? So, you also should not ever tell lies. Always speak the truth. I know you all would be speaking the truth, not like Balu. Not like Balu. Right? Right? Yes? Good. Hello?
Yes, you all also speak truth, right? Very good. Thumbs up. Did you like the story? Okay, do you want to listen one more story? Today, two stories as we told. Yes? Okay. Thank you, Rameshwari ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
stop sharing the screen. Yes.
Yes, I'll stop. Ma'am, shall we start with another story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you know what? Ma'am, we can't unmute them, ma'am.
We can. You want me to unmute them?
Yes, ma'am, let them talk.
Okay, for 2 minutes. Otherwise, they. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am, for few minutes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. How was the story? Okay, yes, ma'am.
You say hello, Eva. Hello. Mute now. You can speak. Hi, hi. Hello. Everyone. बोलायला तुझ्या फेवरेट आहेत ना हाय कर
You know how villages are there? Lots of trees are there, and jungle is there, and there are few huts, few houses at one place. Okay, so this Bhola used to stay in one village.
Rameshwari, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you restart the story? I think you were on mute.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, could not hear you. That's why. Huh? Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So today's story is about a man.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
How is the village?
Ma'am,
Clear, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am. I think.
Ma'am, few children are doing unmute and so sorry, we will have to mute everyone. Then you unmute yourself and we will have to again restart. Sorry about that. You need to unmute. Wait, our system is having some problem.
What you are telling?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
1 minute. Rishabh,
No, that's
can you
okay.
please unmute yourself?
No,
Rishabh.
I think that's okay. Yes, ma'am. There are some audio issues. Now it's okay. You will have to restart, I guess.
So now
You will have to
are-
restart, ma'am. Yeah. Restart the story. Sorry, ma'am.
Here comes the story about a man who doesn't remember numbers. He forgets. He keeps forgetting it. And he stays in a village. You know what? How is the village? Village has few houses and so lots and lots of trees and mountains and rivers. Okay? And he used to stay in that village. And you know what? In the village, what he used to do, he used to collect the sticks from the, he used to go in the jungle, he used to collect the sticks from the jungle and he used to sell in the market. Okay. So every day it used to happen that he used to get up in the morning and he used to get ready and he used to go in the jungle and he used to collect the sticks. But when he is to collect all the sticks, and he is to go and he is to sit for counting, he is to count and he is to forget. He is to forget the number of sticks he has counted. And then he is to say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, 19. He is to carry it on his shoulder and he say 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. Why is to say that? So that he should not forget the number of sticks. So he is to say 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. Oh, I'm very thirsty. Now I'm Bhola, okay? Oh, I'm very thirsty. Let me drink water. How many number of sticks did I carry? Again, Bhola forgot. Bhola forgot. Again, he started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on. Again, he picked up. Now he'll again say 19, 19, 19. Why is he saying it? So that he should not forget. He's saying 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. He reached the market. 19, 19, 19, 19. Bhola, hello, Bhola. Bhola is saying, hello. Someone said hello to Bhola. Hello, Bhola. He's saying, hi, hi. And he went, oh, again I forgot. What was the number? Oh my God. Now he went to the shop. And then the shopkeeper said, how many sticks have you brought, Bhola? Bhola said, sorry, I forgot. Today also I forgot to count the number of sticks. Bhola said, the shopkeeper says, oh my God, Bhola, every day you waste my time. And then again, Bhola starts counting in the shop itself. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. He gave it to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, see, these are 19 sticks. And then the shopkeeper said, okay, Bhola, tomorrow please don't forget. Okay? He said, okay, I will not forget. And he takes the money and he goes back to home. And then Bhola was little sad. Oh, what to do? Every day I'm wasting so much of time to count these sticks, and every day I forget the number of sticks I have collected. And then again he goes, and next day he comes again he goes to the forest to collect the sticks. He goes to the forest, and then he looks everywhere. Imagine in your mind that everywhere there are so many beautiful trees Bhola is seeing. Wow, so much beautiful trees. Why do I have to cut them, and why do I have to collect the sticks? So he said, no, I don't want to collect the sticks. I don't want to collect the sticks. And you know what? By saying that, the forest fairy is looking at him. Yes, she is looking at him. Oh my God, the forest fairy is thinking, oh, this man is such a kind-hearted. He don't want to cut the trees and collect the wood, the sticks. And then Bhola said, no, today I will not collect any sticks. And while going back, he found one deer crying. He is looking here and there. Where is the sound coming from? Who is crying? And when he went ahead, he found a baby deer, fallen in a big hole. There was a hole, and inside that hole, the deer had fallen. And then he tries to help. No, I can't. I'm Bhola, okay now. No, I can't go. I can't go without helping this deer. I must help him. So then Bhola is getting down the hole, and he picks up the deer and gives it to the mama deer. And then mama deer and the baby deer are happy to meet each other and to see each other. And you know who was seeing? Who was seeing this? The forest fairy was seeing that Bhola is so much kind-hearted. And then he was going. And then he said, no, let me collect few sticks now, or else what will I eat tomorrow? Then he collected few sticks. And again he started counting. But then while he was counting, who did he see? You know, he saw forest fairy. Pling! The forest fairy is in front of him, standing. And the forest fairy said, your name is Bhola, no? He said, yes. Who are you? She said, I am forest fairy and I want to do something for you because you are so kind-hearted. You are such a good man. And he said, why? She said, because you helped this deer and his mama to meet. Yes. So then this forest fairy, he said, okay. So he said, what shall I ask? What is that wish that I would ask this forest fairy? He knew then what he wanted. You know what he wanted? He wanted that forest fairy, please, I forget numbers all the time. I forget counting all the time. Please do something which will help me count, which will help me not forget my counting. Okay. And then, you know what this forest fairy gave? Abracadabra, abracadabra. What did the fairy give? Ropes. You know what are ropes? You know what are ropes? You tie something, a thread kind of a thing. Yes, she gave for this Bhola few ropes. Okay. And Bhola said, what shall I do with these ropes now? And the forest fairy said, you will not forget counting if you take the help of these ropes. If you tie your sticks with these ropes. He said, okay. And the fairy vanished. The fairy vanished. Okay. And now, do you all have sticks? You have sticks? Yes? No? No? Okay.
Ice
No
cream
problem.
sticks, we told you to get 45 ice cream sticks or any paper sticks, whatever you have made. And mamas can also be around so that mamas can help.
Paper strip, cardboard strip.
Yeah, very good. Ma'am, many children are having it now.
Okay, great. Now Bhola has got 45 sticks. Okay, now let's count. All of you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Bhola has collected 45 sticks. And now he is trying to tie the sticks with the help of the magic rope. He keeps all the sticks on the magic rope. And you know what happens? The sticks magically forms the bundle of 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Magically, when Bhola keeps the sticks on the rope, magically only 10 sticks come inside the bundle. Did you all make like this bundle?
Oh, do you all have magical rope or rubber band? Magic rubber band? Which can
Magic
only take
rubber band.
10 sticks?
10 sticks, come on.
tell your mama to give that magic rubber band.
Or thread or whatever you have. Just to tie 10, 10, 10, okay?
Or you make your rubber band, magical rubber band, and tie only 10, okay?
Or a thread is also fine.
Wow, I didn't know about this magical rubber band.
Magical.
It can only tie 10 sticks.
It only ties 10 sticks, not more than that.
Wow. Very nice.
Still has already that rubber band, magical rubber band.
Magical rubber band. See, it is tying only 10 sticks in it.
Okay, so today the woodcutter has got 45 sticks. He collected it from ground, ma'am.
Yes.
He did not cut the tree.
No.
Very good.
One more. And now, you all made, did you all make the bundles? With the help of your magic rubber band? See, I have got 4 of them, 4 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles. Because, see, each bundle is of 10 sticks. Each bundle is of 10 sticks. Count and put 10 sticks in the bundle. Yes? Now, 10. I have 4 bundles now. See, I have 4 bundles. Come on, count. 1 bundle, 10. 2 bundle, 20. 3 bundle, 30. 4 bundle, 40. And these extra 5 sticks, which the magic rope couldn't tie because they were only 5 sticks. There were only 5 sticks. Okay. Can you show me? See, I have got 4 bundles. Yes, very good. I have got 4 bundles and count, count all of you. Yes, very good. This 1 bundle 10, 2 bundle 20, 3 bundle 30, 4 bundle 40. Very good. Very good, Nishchal. And these extra 5 sticks, the magic rope could not tie it. Why? Why it could not tie? Because they were not 10. The sticks are not 10. So magic rope didn't tie these sticks. Okay. Now let me become Bhola again. Now Bhola has bundle and 5 sticks. Now now I have become Bhola again. Now Bhola is carrying the bundle of sticks and going to the market. Now is there any need for him to remember 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45? No. Now Bhola is enjoying, la 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 la. He is listening to the chirping of the birds and he is happy. And he is going to the market, singing the song, la, 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 la. And you know what? He saw the market. And now Bhola is smiling. He is very happy because he knows how many sticks are there with him. And he goes to the shopkeeper. And the shopkeeper says that Bhola, at least today, do you remember how many sticks you have got? And Bhola says, yes, I remember how many sticks I have got. And the shopkeeper says, okay, tell me how many sticks you have got. And Bhola forgot. Oh, how many? How many? He forgot. But then you know what? There were bundles in which he could remember. So 1 bundle got how many sticks? One bundle got how many sticks? 10 sticks, correct. So 10, one bundle, 20, one bundle, two bundles, three bundles, 30, four bundles, 40, and those extra 5 sticks. So how many sticks? One bundle, two bundle, three bundle, four bundle, 40 sticks and 5 sticks extra. Because why it couldn't have a bundle? Why the magic rope didn't tie it? Because it didn't have 10. So now 40 and 5. So how many sticks does Bhola has now? 40, 45. Bhola has 45 sticks. Yes? Yes? And the shopkeeper is amazed. Oh my God, Bhola, where did you learn this from? And Bhola said, that is a secret. So Bhola said, that is a secret, but then I will tell you. So what did he tell him? You know what? You know what, shopkeeper? I have made bundle of 10, 10, 10, 10 and kept. And these extra were not, I had only 5 sticks. It didn't make 10. So I had kept them extra. So it was easy for me to count. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 and 45. So I have got 45 sticks. And the shopkeeper was amazed with the idea. Oh my God, Bhola, this is a very, very good idea. Even in my shop now, I will keep the bundle of 10, 10, 10, 10 for me to find it easy to count. Okay, so now Bhola was very happy and he had no tension of counting and remembering the numbers. Why? Because he had the bundles of 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay? Now, so did you like the story? Was the story nice?
Then do thumbs up if you like the story. Please do show your thumbs up if you like the story.
Amazing, ma'am. Very good.
It was a wonderful story, ma'am.
See that I'll show you the bundles that kids have prepared. See, all of them have prepared some beautiful, bundles of 10. Let me see. Just a minute.
Wow. They're showing it, sir.
Very nice.
Nishchal, show your bundles, beta.
Wow.
Yes, so they all got the magic rubber band.
Very nice.
Wow. Now there is a
Very
magic rubber
good.
band.
Yeah, wow.
Very
We
good,
got the
Neera.
ice cream sticks here.
Very nice, Neera.
Show your bundles. Anvi has also got.
Yeah, I will just quickly run through everyone. Okay, I'll just quickly show some of you guys. Wow, see this one?
Nirvi is also there here. Hello, Nirvi.
Yeah, very nice. See, we got some more here also. Very nice.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Very
Premlata.
nice. Wow, very nice.
Very good, Rhythm.
So you all got the magic rubber band today.
Wow, beautiful. See this one?
Thank you, Rameshwari ma'am, for sharing that magic rubber
This is
band.
a good idea. Wow. Very nice. I'm so happy to see this, guys. No, already 10 of bundles. Very nice.
You all become an expert in
See,
counting.
here also he has got all the
If you form the bundle of, show me with hands. If you form the bundle of, show me with your hands. How many? If you form the bundle of, show me.
Dhruv, very nice, Dhruv. You got very nice bundle of 10s.
You all will be an expert in counting. You
Okay, so now ma'am will connect in a moment, but we wanted one math activity. But today we wanted mamas to help us. Can mamas join? All the children? Rameshwari ma'am, are you there?
She there, but she's not connected.
Rameshwari ma'am, are you there?
No, she got dropped.
Draw.
Wow.
Okay, so in some time Rameshwari ma'am will join back, but we had planned one activity. Okay. So, okay, we will not share the screen, please.
Okay, wait a minute. Yes.
Okay.
Very
Just a
nice, everybody. We can see all of you. Very nice. Good job. Very nice. Show thumbs up. Did you like this? Very nice. Fantastic.
Okay. Rameshwari ma'am, are you there? Okay, everyone. Now we will play a game in which you will have to show the number. But as I cannot check everyone, I want your mama to sit or your daddy to sit beside you. Can you please call your mummy or daddy? Can you call your mummy or daddy? Everyone's mummy or daddy is beside them. Very good, Nihira. I can see you hugging your mama. You can call your grandma if your grandma is around. Everyone is having someone beside them. Okay. Now you will have to, I will say the number and you will have to pick up that many sticks. Use your magic rubber band. Okay. So already you are having the bundle of 10. So don't remove it. Keep the bundle of 10s and keep those 5 or 9 loose sticks, whichever you are having. Okay. Show number 15. Come on, show number 15. Show me number 15.
15.
One bundle and how many loose sticks? One bundle and how many loose sticks?
Very
1,
nice.
2, 3, 4 and 5.
Wow.
5 loose sticks. Very good. Now, very good. Show it to your mama.
Very
Mama
nice.
need to check. Okay, mama or daddy need to check. Okay, now the second number is 23. Show me 23.
Very nice. 2 bundles. Very
2
nice.
bundles of 10. And how many loose ones? 1, 2, and 3. 23. Very good. Now, which number shall I tell you? 11. 11. Come on. Very good, Nihira. 11. Very good, Nishchal. Come on. 11. How many bundles and how many loose sticks?
Very nice.
You
Good
know
job.
what you can do? When on your screen, you can have your full name, child's full name. Otherwise, see, the child whose name is written SK, he has already done, but we don't know his name. So we cannot call out his name.
Very nice. Good
Wearing
job.
yellow kurta. Okay,
Very nice.
very good. Who all have So 11, right? One bundle of 10 and one loose one. Very good. Now, shall I tell you one difficult one? Okay. 32. Big number. Come on. 32. I can see Advait sitting with bowl and some chana. What is that?
Wow, this
Very
is
good.
chickpeas. Wow.
Okay. 32. So how many bundles and how many loose ones? How many bundles of 10 and how many loose ones?
She has already made it here.
Very good.
Good job, Ashi. Very
How
nice.
many bundles? 1, 2 and 3 bundles of 10
Very nice.
and 2 loose ones.
Wow. Super. You guys are all
See,
expert
can you
now.
show?
Oh, wow.
3 bundles of 10.
10.
That means 10, 20, 30 and 2 loose ones.
Wow.
Very good. Very good.
Super. Very good.
Okay, now the next number is 26. Come on, 26.
Very nice. Good job.
Show me how many bundles of 10.
Take your time. Don't rush. Easy one. Oh, yeah. They are so fast.
26.
You are so fast. Very nice.
Good job. 2 bundles of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very
6
nice.
loose ones.
Very, very nice. Good job,
Come
everybody.
on. Who else is ready? Spruha is ready. Very good. Oh,
Wow.
you made the sticks
Beautiful.
with cardboard. Very good.
Beautiful.
job.
See this also. Wow.
Nityashi, good job.
Good job, everybody.
Okay, so now next number is big number, huh? 42. Come on, make 42. 42. Can you make 42?
Can you hear? 42.
How many bundles of 10? And how many loose ones?
Wow. Very nice.
Yes, Pruha, 42.
Wow.
4 bundles of 10 and 2 loose ones.
Very nice.
Who else is ready?
Yeah, she is also ready.
Ashish,
Show it again. Very
4
colorful.
bundles of 10 and 2 loose ones. Very good.
Very colorful. Wow.
Who else is ready?
Kabir is ready.
Show
42.
me.
Very nice. Show it again.
42, please show it again.
Show it again. Wow. Good job. Yeah.
4 bundles of 10 and 2 loose ones.
Very good.
Hinduvi, show bacha. Show it again.
Very nice.
4 bundles of 10 and how many loose ones? 2. Very good. So,
Wow.
did you like this game? Did you like this game? Yes. So, now you can play this game with your mama. Okay, you tell a number to your mama and mama need to pick up the bundles and stick for you. Come on. Now you say a number to your mama and say a big number, okay? Say one big number to your mama. Come on. And your mama need to pick up those many sticks. Okay, and then you check it, whether it's correct or not. Okay? Yes, you already played with your mama? Mama got
Very
it
nice.
right? Mama got it right?
Wow. Super.
Good job. Clap for your mama.
Very good.
Clap for your mama. Very good.
Very good job. So let's, just to end, right? We will have a quick dance. You want to dance, everybody? Everybody wants to dance? I can see everybody's thumbs up.
Okay, get up,
Get
at
up,
your places.
everybody. I want to see whether you all
Avya,
want
what
to dance.
happened, Avya?
Okay, let's dance. Okay, everybody.
I like to move it,
Stand up,
move it.
everybody.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move
Stand up,
it.
everybody.
I
Stand
like to
up.
move it, move it.
Everybody
Yeah,
stand
like
up first.
And you can do freestyle dance, okay?
Whatever you
We
like.
will watch you how you are dancing.
Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, I'm playing it again. Okay, everybody.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move
Stand
it.
up,
You
everybody.
like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Come on,
You like to.
Abdul. Get up, bacha.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Stand up,
I
stand
like
up.
to move it, move it. You like to.
Ananya, come on, get up and dance.
I like to move
Groovy
it, move it.
dance.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You
Sanskruti,
like
get
to.
up and dance. Akshit,
All
dance.
girls all over the world.
Freestyle dance. Come
Original
on.
King Julian for the girls, man.
Premlata
I
dance.
love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you move your
Raghav,
body,
dance.
you know move it nice
Nitya,
and
she,
sweet
come on,
and
dance.
sassy. Alright? Woman, you cute and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cute
Pritam
and you don't need no
Chopra,
makeup.
please dance, bacha.
Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman,
Anand,
physically
come on,
fit,
dance.
physically fit, physically
Dance,
fit. Woman,
dance,
nice,
bacha.
sweet,
Dance,
fantastic.
get up.
Big body out to the big tight headed woman and nice, sweet, energetic. Big body
on,
out to the
dance,
big tight
get
headed
up.
woman and nice, sweet, fantastic. Big body out to the big tight headed woman and nice, sweet, fantastic.
Linda,
Big body out
dance,
to
come
the
on,
big tight
Linda,
headed.
Linda.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Everybody dance.
Woman, you
Jump,
cute,
jump, jump.
and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Eyeliner,
Come on,
but your face
Mola,
make man mud up.
dancing.
Nose powder, but your face make man mud up. Like your eyebrow, but your face make man mud up. Girl, your lipstick, but your face make man mud up. Woman, you nice broad face, and you nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you nice and energetic. Flick your body out into the big Titanic. Woman, you nice broad face, and you nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you nice and energetic. Flick your body out
Very
into the big
nice.
Titanic. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Jump, jump, hop, hop, jump, jump, hop, hop.
I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. We to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I
Everybody
like to
get up
move
and
it,
dance.
move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to
Move it.
move it. All girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man. I love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright? Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big body out in the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, energetic. Big body out in the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big body out in the big Titanic. Titanic, woman and nice, sweet, fantastic. Big ship on the ocean, that's a big Titanic. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I like to move it. Woman, you cured, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cured, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Eyeliner, but your face make man mud up. Nose powder, but your face make man mud up. Like your eyebrow, but your face make man mud up. Got your lipstick, but your face make man mud up. Woman, you nice broad face, and a nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean, that's a big Titanic. Woman, a nice broad face, and a nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean, that's a big Titanic. Whoa!
Very nice.
I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. 3, 2, 1. Good.
So you all had fun? Thumbs up if you liked it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rameshwari ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will say thank you, Rameshwari ma'am.
Thank you, Rameshwari ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.